Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super happy to see you again. So I'm in new surroundings. As you can see, it's very unusual to be filming here for you, but I'm back with another trading session that I hope that you will enjoy, of course. So as always, sharing some tips and tricks that I'm using, and keep watching to actually get to know them. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, that you've liked this video, and turned on the notifications. And without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay guys, let's get started. Starting with a deposit of $50 today, just a regular standard deposit. And today we're gonna make a good profit on a minute time frame. As always, we're opening on a minute time frame, and on your screens you see the indicators we're going to be using today. It's trending indicator, alligator, and zigzag. So we're gonna use them. We're gonna open mostly according to the trend, observing the pullbacks, which will be shown to us by the zigzag. Actually, we're going to rely on the sliding lines of the alligator. I think that we're gonna make a good result today. So let's get to the trading and choose the first currency pair. Let's analyze the chart, and here let's straight away open the deal to decrease. I'm explaining you the rule of the entry. So we see more of a downward dynamic in this part of the movement, an overlap of the sliding lines on the zigzag, on the alligator, sorry. The jaw is located at the top, the lips are at the bottom, and it signifies a very strong downward dynamic. And especially taking into account that we had a good pullback here, pullback of the price, an update according to the zigzag of our local maximum, and the further movement should go down. That's why we're opening to decrease. Let's actually observe. I think that that was a good entry. Good opening. On the zigzag we see an update of local minimum, but generally I think that the movement should go even lower. Last second guys, and the deal is profitable. Our first deal is profitable. Good entry, good opening according to the trend. So let's keep trading, pick the next currency pair, and continue our analysis. So here we have an update on the zigzag. That's why let's open the deal to decrease. Upward dynamic here, and right now we're opening against the trend. Yes, I remember that I've said that we're mostly opening according to the trend, but this strategy actually allows us to do vice versa. During a pullback, we had an update on the zigzag of our local maximum, and at the moment the movement is going into a pullback, and it's actually helping us in this particular case, even though we see that the sliding line of the alligator is facing up. But as I've said, we had an update on the zigzag, and according to the dynamic of the motion, we see a pullback. And I think that the further motion should go down even more. That's why we're opening to decrease. And as I've said, the movement went down, the candle went down, and the second deal is also successful, guys. The opening, the entry was not that difficult. Let's just refresh the page and continue the trading. Let's choose the next currency pair. Let's look at our support zone here, whether we have it or not. So here has some news influencing the chart. So the global local minimum is right here. And why not open the deal to decrease? Let's highlight the working zone. We see that we have an update on the zigzag. All of the sliding lines of the indicator are facing down. They're wide apart. We understand that we have a downward dynamic dominating right now on this currency pair, and I think that we should open the deal to decrease. It's the best variant in this particular case. I don't think that there will be a pullback. The price should go even lower according to its, I'm going to show you, according to its local minimum. Probably wants to go right there, and from there it should start its upward trend. And another deal is closed positively, guys. Let's change the sum of the deal and continue trading. A perfect deal. Let's continue, choose the next currency pair. So here the further dynamic should go even higher. So let's open the deal to increase here. According to the zigzag, in theory, the local minimum should update, but as long as it hasn't updated, it's telling us that the further movement should go up. Probably our price maximum will update. And after that, the pullback will follow. All of the sliding lines on the alligator, the jaw is down, the lips are up, and it's telling us of an upward dynamic. That's why it's better to open the deal to increase. That's what I was saying. We have an update of our new price maximum on this part of the chart, and the price should go up, try to reach the price maximum, and then go down. And another deal is successful. Let's change the sum of the deal. Quite a confident one, even though we had a little pullback, but the impulse followed and another deal is closed positively. Let's choose another currency pair. Actually, here we have quite a nice entry into the deal. That's why let's open to decrease. As long as in this particular case we should use a little bit of technical analysis. After the update of the local maximum on the zigzag, we have a pullback and the movement is going down. And this pattern, we have this kind of pattern here. Here we have an update of the price maximum, and that means that the further pullback down should follow. And I think that the principle of the entry into the deal is pretty understandable. A little less than 30 seconds left. Let's observe the motion. Last seconds, and the deal is closing successfully. As I've said, we needed a little bit of a pullback. We saw a pattern, and that's why we finished positively. Let's continue trading. Good market today. Let's choose another currency pair. Pick the best percentage. So here we have a good pullback to decrease, an overlap, and here we should open to purchase. Let's open additional deals and just observe the results. So you see here we're looking at the character of the pullback, very similar pullbacks. We see an update, but the price hasn't reached its peak yet. It hasn't updated, and actually after this particular pullback there should be a reverse, and the movement should go up according to the dynamic of the motion. We see a perfect touch, and the further dynamic is going to go up. Last seconds till the end. The first deal is profitable, guys. The second one is profitable as well. So let's change the sum of the deal and continue trading. Pick the next currency pair. Here we should open according to the trend to increase, to deals. We see a very good pullback, the emergence of the green candle. It's a very good sign that the upward dynamic should continue. Also, all the sliding lines of the indicator, even though we had a strong pullback, they're facing up. The jaw is down, the lips are up, and that's why the deal was opened to increase. In our case, we have opened two deals to increase around 25-20 seconds till the end, and let's just observe the dynamic of the candles. last seconds, and the deals are closing positively. It wasn't hard to open at all. We opened according to the trend. Let's keep trading. Keep going. Let's pick another currency pair. So what do we have here? We have quite a good impulse up, and I think that the dynamic of the movement should go down. As long as we have an update of the price maximum, the local price maximum, the movement can go into flat and move in this kind of way because of the update. Very strong downward dynamic before we saw lateral movement, and generally I think that it's absolutely correct to open the deal to decrease. 20 seconds till the end. Let's observe. So the deals are closing positively, guys. I'm super content with the result today. More than $6,000 on the account. So that's it for today. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to leave your feedback down below in the comment section and check the description box that's also down below. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my future videos. Bye guys.